Hello, everyone. Welcome to Slow English Stories, the channel that helps you learn English through real, simple, and motivational stories. Today's story is called The Value of Hard Work. It's about a young man who learns that dreams can come true, but only with patience, effort, and hard work. So, sit back, relax, and listen slowly and carefully. Let's begin. Chapter 1. The Lazy Boy. There was once a young man named Tom who lived in a small village near the hills. Tom was kind and friendly, but he didn't like to work. Every morning he woke up late and spent his time sitting under a tree, watching the clouds move in the sky. While others worked in the fields, Tom dreamed of living a rich and easy life. Tom's father, Mr. Henry, was a farmer. He worked from sunrise to sunset, planting and harvesting crops. He tried to teach Tom the value of work, but Tom never listened. "Why should I work so hard, Father?" Tom would say. "Look at the rich people in the city. They wear nice clothes and drive big cars. I want a life like that, not one full of sweat and dirt." Mr. Henry sighed. He loved his son, but he worried about his future. One evening he said, "Tom, one day you will understand that hard work is the only way to success. Dreams are important, but they need action." Tom just laughed and walked away, thinking his father was old-fashioned. Chapter 2. A Lesson Begins. One morning, Mr. Henry became sick. He could not go to the fields anymore. So he called Tom and said, "Son, the farm needs you. If you don't work, we will have no food this year." Tom was worried but also afraid. He had never worked in the fields before. Still, he agreed to try. The first day was hard. The sun was hot, and Tom's hands hurt from using the tools. He wanted to quit after just 1 hour. But when he saw his father resting inside the house, coughing and weak, Tom felt a deep sadness. "I must do this for my father," he whispered. "I can't let him down." Every day, Tom went to the field. Slowly, he learned how to plant seeds, water them, and protect them from insects. His back hurt, his skin burned, but he kept going. For the first time in his life, Tom worked hard. He began to understand that every seed he planted was like a small promise. A promise that, with care and patience, would grow into something beautiful. Chapter 3. The First Reward. Months passed and the crops started to grow. Tom looked at the green field with pride. He could hardly believe that his own hands had done this. The plants were strong and healthy, and his father smiled for the first time in many weeks. "You did well, Tom," Mr. Henry said softly. "You've learned something that no school can teach." Tom felt a warm happiness inside. He realized that the joy of seeing results after hard work was much greater than the pleasure of doing nothing. Every drop of sweat, every ache in his body, it all felt worth it now. The field was not just full of plants, it was full of lessons. When harvest time came, Tom sold the crops in the market. He earned a good amount of money, more than he expected. For the first time, he had money that he truly earned himself. He ran home excitedly and said, "Father, look, this is from our hard work." His father smiled and said, "Now you understand, my son. This is the real value of hard work."
Chapter 4. The City Dream. With the money he earned, Tom decided to visit the city he had always dreamed about. He wanted to see how rich people lived. When he arrived, he saw tall buildings, big cars, and people walking fast. At first, he was amazed. "This is what I always wanted," he thought. But after a few days, Tom began to notice something. The people in the city were always busy. Some worked day and night in offices and shops. Others cleaned streets or sold food on the sidewalks. Everyone was working hard to live. There were no easy lives, even for the rich. So, Tom thought, no matter where you are, everyone must work. That's how life is. Before going home, Tom visited a large bookstore. There, he bought a book called The Power of Hard Work. He smiled and said to himself, "Now I truly understand. Success is not about luck or dreams. It's about effort, patience, and never giving up." Chapter 5. The New Tom. When Tom returned to his village, he was a changed man. He woke up early, worked in the fields, and helped his neighbors. Soon, he became known as one of the hardest-working young men in the village. People respected him, and many came to him for advice. Even the village chief said, "Tom, you are a good example for our youth." Years later, Tom's father passed away peacefully, proud of his son. Tom took care of the farm and even started a small business selling fresh vegetables in nearby towns. He built a new house, helped poor families, and taught children that hard work is the best teacher in life. One day, a young boy came to him and asked, "Tom, how did you become so successful?" Tom smiled gently and said, "I learned that dreams are seeds, but if you don't water them with hard work, they will never grow. Remember this, and you will do well in life." The boy nodded, and Tom saw his younger self in that boy's eyes, full of hope and new beginnings. So, dear listeners, the story of Tom teaches us something very important. Hard work may be difficult, but it always gives true happiness and success. Dreams are good, but only when we work to make them real. As the old saying goes, no pain, no gain. Thank you for listening to Slow English Stories. I hope you enjoyed the value of hard work. If you liked this story, please like, share, and subscribe to help more English learners enjoy and learn through stories. See you in the next episode, and remember, keep learning, keep growing, and keep working hard.